Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing video. This one's a jewelry unboxing. My Glamour Jewelry Box came for the month of April. So excited. I love Glamour Jewelry Box. It's a monthly jewelry subscription for $29.95 a month plus $3 shipping. And you get three pieces of jewelry every month, valued at around $75 to $100 every month. So exciting. Don't know what's in here. I'm excited. Sometimes they send you an email and you get choices. So last month there was a statement necklace in there and you got to pick from several necklaces, a first choice and a second choice. I want to say there was at least 6 or 8 different necklaces to choose from. Sometimes you get a choice of earrings to choose from. So this time I don't think I had any choices. So I can't wait to see what's in there before we get started. Zena's here. She wants to say hi. Yes. Yes. She's silly. Wyatt's here. Do you want to say hi? Zena's going for the treats already. Wyatt, there you perked up, huh? You saying hi? Yes. So my sidekicks are here to help me with this video, although sometimes they're not. They don't really help me, do they? You gonna help, Zena? You're gonna help. Okay. So the Glamour Jewelry Box, it does vary from month to month, so sometimes you get trendy pieces, sometimes you get classic pieces, but always fun, and I always look forward to it. You do get a card inside each of the boxes. Wyatt's totally interested in this box now because, you know, we just did his bark box video, so now he's very, very interested. So he thinks maybe instead of jewelry, he's getting toys or treats. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Okay. So there's 3 items in here. They do give you the retail value of each item. And this month's box is valued at $75. So I will list all of the, I'll tell you what they are, and I'll also list them all down below as well. So here is the inside of my box. It does come in a really nice jewelry pouch. All right, so it says, spring is here and this month's jewelry set is perfect to celebrate the season. And I got a necklace, earrings, and a bracelet in this set. Oh, and it is a rose gold color this time. So first up is a pair of earrings. These are a cute, basic, dangly earring. If I can get the hoop here, I'll show you. For some reason I have this hooked. There we go. So that's cute. I can even show you against, maybe if I showed against the pouch, you'll be able to see a little bit better. Very cute. So let me try these on for you. So here's what it looks like. Went on nice and easy. I did pause to spare you from watching me put it on, but it went on nice and easy. I like the size of these. Hopefully you guys can see this. They're a nice size, but yet delicate. Goes with what I have on today. And these are the rose gold teardrop hoop earring. The retail price is $24. It says these earrings are a modern take on the classic hoop earring. This piece is sure to be a head turner. Very cute. All right, next item. Next item is the bracelet. And the bracelet is the rose gold bracelet, retail price $25. This adjustable rose gold bracelet drips in a row of diamonds, it says. Very pretty. It does have nice shimmer to it. And here is the adjustable part. So you can open it as much as you need. See if I can close it. I got it open. There we go. That's very pretty on. I like it. It's nice that it's adjustable. Goes nicely with the earrings. All right, one more item. Glamour Jewelry Box does have stylists who curate the jewelry pieces. I think there's some variation between what you might get. But I think for the most part, it's similar. Everybody gets something similar. All right, and here is the necklace. So it's a little tie knot there. And it has little stones on both of the drops. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can hear Zena's making noises. She's so funny. She makes little snorty noises. All right, so that one you can just slip right over your head. Has the little knot there. You guys can see that. That's cute. Like the little stones there that hang. That's easy. You like it? You ready to make a run for it? Okay, so this one is the rose gold teardrop, or no, I'm sorry, the rose gold knot lariat necklace, retail price $26. And this is, it says the perfect piece for spring. It pairs perfectly with a simple crew neck tee or a deep V-neck. So this is very pretty. I just have a basic long sleeve. It's almost like a sweatshirt type top on today. And I think it dresses it up nicely with this pink jean jacket. Very pretty. So I'm liking all three pieces. Very, very nice. Bring that down a little bit. Yeah. They really go nicely as a set. Very pretty. Do you like them, Zena? Wyatt doesn't care. Do you care? Do you care? No? Okay, so yes, all three pieces, $26, $24, $25, total to $75 for the total retail value, and the cost of the subscription is $29.95 a month plus $3 shipping. I will put all that information down below in case you would like to give Glamour Jewelry Box a try. And I do have a code for you, so if you'd like to try it out, if you use the code HAPPY10, you will get 10% off your first box. And I will put that information down below as well. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another unboxing. Zena is super excited because she knows whenever I wrap up, somehow she always seems to know, and that means that she gets paid in treats, right? Oh, now Wyatt's up too. So thank you so much. Please consider hitting that like button. I would love you to hit the subscribe button, hang out with us for a little bit. Until next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.